Welcome to the 8th continent. Today we're about to embark on an adventure to a place that feels like another world entirely, a land bursting with life, color, and mystery at every turn. G'day, wildlife warriors. Steve Irwin here, and today we're off to Madagascar, a place so unique it's often called the 8th continent. This isn't just another island, it's a treasure trove of nature's most extraordinary creations, a place where the wildest dreams of explorers come true. This massive island broke away from Africa millions of years ago, drifting across the Indian Ocean and evolving in splendid isolation. Over all those years, its wildlife has taken on forms and behaviors you won't find anywhere else on Earth. It's like stepping into a living time capsule, where ancient landscapes and creatures tell stories of a world long past. You won't find lions or giraffes here, but you will find creatures and landscapes you won't see anywhere else. Instead, Madagascar is home to animals so rare and unusual, they seem almost magical, like something out of a storybook. Imagine wandering through misty forests filled with mysterious calls, where trees stretch toward the sky in the most peculiar shapes. Some even look like they're growing upside down. Every step reveals a new surprise, from the rustle of leaves to the flash of a colorful creature darting by. Madagascar is a living laboratory of evolution. About 90% of its wildlife is found nowhere else. That means nearly every animal you spot here is a true original, shaped by millions of years of isolation and adaptation. We're going to explore lush rainforests teeming with life, arid deserts dotted with ancient baobab trees, and breathtaking coastlines where lemurs leap and chameleons change color before your eyes. Each landscape is a world of its own, waiting to be discovered. Every creature here, from the tiniest frog with its jewel-like colors to the biggest, most acrobatic lemur, plays a vital role in this wild ecosystem. Their lives are woven together in a delicate balance, making Madagascar one of the most fascinating places on the planet. So grab your boots, pack your curiosity, and bring along your sense of wonder, because we're about to dive headfirst into the untamed wonders of Madagascar together. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a first-time adventurer, there's something here to amaze everyone. It's going to be a ripper. Get ready for an unforgettable journey into the heart of the 8th continent. Let's meet Madagascar's superstars, the lemurs. These fascinating creatures are the true icons of this island, instantly recognizable by their big, curious eyes and playful antics. Lemurs have captured the imagination of people around the world, but there's so much more to them than meets the eye. They're not monkeys or apes, but a unique group of primates found only here. Madagascar is the only place on Earth where lemurs live in the wild, making them one of the planet's most extraordinary evolutionary stories. Over 100 species call this island home, from the famous ring-tailed lemur, with its bold black and white tail and social nature, to many lesser-known but equally remarkable relatives. Then there's the teddy bear-like Indri, whose haunting calls echo through the rainforest at dawn and dusk, creating a magical atmosphere in the treetops. Watch the sifika dance sideways on its back legs, leaping from tree to tree with incredible agility. Their unique way of moving looks almost like a ballet performance in the wild. Or spot the tiny mouse lemur, the world's smallest primate. These little nocturnal creatures are quick, shy, and way less than a tennis ball. The eye, with its wild eyes and long finger, taps on trees to find grubs. A true oddball, its unusual appearance and habits have made it the subject of myths and legends. Lemurs leap through the canopy with grace, their calls filling the air. Their acrobatics and vocalizations are a symphony of the forest, bringing the jungle to life. Each species has adapted to its own niche, from bamboo eaters to fruit lovers. Some even feast on flowers or insects, showing just how diverse and resourceful lemurs can be. They are the heart and soul of Madagascar's forests, a living reminder of evolution's creativity. Without lemurs, these forests would lose much of their magic and diversity. These animals are living jewels, and we must protect them for generations to come. Their survival depends on our actions, and every effort counts. Seeing lemurs in the wild is life-changing. It's a reminder of the wonders of nature and the importance of conservation. They're precious, and their survival is in our hands. Let's celebrate these cheeky, charming creatures and ensure their beauty endures for generations. What a beauty. Now look closely, see that branch? It's a chameleon. Madagascar is the world capital of chameleons, home to half the world's species. These masters of disguise change color to blend in, communicate, or show off. Their feet grip branches like pincers, and their tails act as a fifth limb. Each eye moves independently, giving them a 360-degree view. One eye hunts, the other keeps watch. From the giant Parsons chameleon to the tiny Brachysia micra, the variety is stunning. Watching a chameleon hunt is a lesson in patience. When it strikes, its tongue shoots out faster than you can blink. These reptiles are perfectly adapted to their world, delicate and vital to the ecosystem. They're true works of art painted by nature. Every chameleon is a marvel of evolution. Beautiful! Let's talk about Madagascar's legendary baobabs. These trees are some of the most extraordinary living things on our planet, and their story is as fascinating as their appearance. The Avenue of the Baobabs is a breathtaking sight. Massive trunks, ancient and majestic, lining a red dirt road. It's a place where time seems to stand still, and the scale of nature's architecture is truly awe-inspiring. Locals call them Renala, Mother of the Forest. For generations, these trees have been woven into the daily lives, stories, and traditions of Malagasy people. Some are over 800 years old, silent witnesses to history. Imagine the stories they could tell, of ancient civilizations, changing climates, and the countless people who have passed beneath their branches. Their trunks store thousands of liters of water, helping them survive the dry season. This unique adaptation allows them to thrive in harsh environments where few other trees can survive. Baobabs are lifelines for animals and people. Birds nest in their branches, lemurs eat their fruit, and countless insects find shelter in their bark. The baobab is a living ecosystem, supporting life in every direction. Communities use their fibers and trunks for shelter, tools, and even food. The baobab's fruit is rich in nutrients, and its bark can be woven into rope or cloth, making it invaluable to local people. There are 6 species found only in Madagascar, each adapted to its own region. Some grow tall and slender, others short and stout, but all are uniquely suited to their environment. These giants are under threat from deforestation, agriculture, and climate change. But standing among them is a powerful reminder of what we must protect. Not just for ourselves, but for future generations. They're not just trees, they're monuments of the natural world, living sculptures shaped by centuries of wind, sun, and rain. The baobab is a symbol of life and resilience. Through droughts, storms, and the passage of time, they endure, reminding us of nature's strength and beauty. Walking here, you feel humbled and connected to the earth. Their presence commands respect, and their beauty inspires wonder in all who visit. We must protect these ancient guardians. Conservation efforts are underway, but it's up to all of us to ensure their survival. They are Madagascar's natural heritage, pure magic standing tall against the sky, inviting us to marvel, to learn, and to care. Now let's head into Madagascar's emerald rainforests, places like Ranomafana and Andasibe Mantadia. The air is thick and humid, the canopy so dense that sunlight barely reaches the ground. Every surface is alive with moss, ferns, and colorful fungi. Look twice, what seems like a stick might be a leaf-tailed gecko, a master of camouflage. Here, animals and plants have evolved together, creating incredible partnerships. Spot a giraffe weevil with its long neck, or a comet moth with massive yellow wings. Every creature has its own survival story in this complex world. Exploring these jungles is a true adventure. Muddy trails, rickety bridges, and flashes of movement in the trees. These rainforests are the lungs of Madagascar, teeming with secrets. What a place! Just when you think you know Madagascar, it surprises you. Head south to the spiny forest, a desert filled with bizarre, thorny plants like the octopus tree. Life here is tough, but lemurs, spiny-tailed iguanas, and unique birds have all adapted to survive. It's a testament to nature's creativity and resilience. Offshore Madagascar's coral reefs burst with color. Sea turtles, manta rays, and even whale sharks call these waters home. In one day, you can explore a spiny desert and swim over a coral garden. The island's diversity is unmatched. Beaches, mangroves, and stone forests called singi all add to the wonder. What an absolute treasure. Madagascar's plant life is just as wild as its animals. Take the traveler's palm. Its fan-like leaves store water for thirsty explorers. The island is home to over 1,000 orchid species, many found nowhere else. Darwin's orchid with its long nectar spur inspired the discovery of a moth with a tongue to match. A perfect partnership. The rosy periwinkle, a humble pink flower, contains compounds used to treat cancer, saving lives worldwide. Carnivorous pitcher plants, spiky octopus trees, and more make Madagascar a botanist's dream. These plants are the foundation of the ecosystem, providing food, shelter, and medicine. Every species tells a story of survival and adaptation. Protecting this green world is vital for the future. Madagascar's flora is a living library of evolution. What a treasure trove. But this paradise is in danger. The biggest threat? Habitat loss. Forests are disappearing fast, cut down for farming, charcoal, and illegal logging. When the trees go, so do the homes of lemurs, chameleons, and countless others. The red soil bleeding into rivers is a scar on the land, a sign of erosion and loss. Poaching and the illegal pet trade push species closer to extinction. Lemurs are hunted, tortoises are stolen for pets. Every animal lost is a tragedy. The people of Madagascar face tough choices, often driven by poverty. Conservation here means helping both wildlife and people. Supporting sustainable livelihoods like ecotourism is key. We must work together, locals, governments, and wildlife warriors worldwide. Protecting Madagascar is a global responsibility. The time to act is now. This world is too precious to lose. So what can we do? We can all be wildlife warriors for Madagascar. Awareness is the first step. Share what you've learned about this amazing place. Support organizations working to protect Madagascar. Every donation helps plant trees, equip rangers, and save wildlife. If you visit, be a responsible tourist. Choose eco-friendly guides and never buy souvenirs made from endangered species. Your choices matter. Show that living lemurs are worth more than dead ones. Be part of the solution, not the problem. Madagascar is a treasure for the whole world, a place of wonder and life. Losing it would be like tearing a chapter from the book of life. Let's stand together and raise our voices. Let's be the generation that saves Madagascar's wild wonders. For the lemurs, for the forests, for our planet's future. Let's be wildlife warriors. Thank you.